How to fix iMessage turning green on iPhone. If your blue iMessage bubbles suddenly switch to green SMS texts, here's how to fix it. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Messages. First, toggle iMessage off, wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on. This will refresh and reactivate iMessage on your device. Next, scroll down to Send as SMS. Turn it off, then back on to reinitiate SMS without overriding iMessage. If it's still green, the issue might be your internet connection. Open Safari or Chrome and search for Speed Test. Run a test. iMessage requires the internet, not just your carrier signal, so make sure your connection is stable and fast enough. If that doesn't help, go back to Settings. Tap on General, then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. This will reset Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, and VPN connections. If after all this your messages are still green, the issue might be with the other person's iPhone. If their phone is off, in airplane mode, out of battery, or iMessage is disabled on their side, your texts will be sent as SMS instead of iMessage. And that's how to troubleshoot when iMessage turns green on your iPhone.